Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Boxing King Jili. To begin your boxing match, first select your bet size, which can range from 1 peso up to 1,000 pesos per spin. Next, familiarize yourself with the game's layout, featuring 5 reels and 88 fixed pay lines. Once your bet is set, simply hit the spin button to start the action, or use the auto spin option for continuous play. Wins are awarded when 3 or more identical symbols land consecutively from the leftmost reel. Boxing King offers 88 fixed pay lines, giving you many chances to land winning combinations across its 5 reels. Keep an eye out for the high-paying symbols, such as the red and blue boxers, which can award up to 5 times your initial bet for 5 matching symbols. Traditional card icons represent the lower-paying symbols. Additionally, wild symbols are crucial, as they can substitute for most other symbols to help complete winning lines, appearing on reels 3 and 4 in the base game. Boxing King is packed with exciting special features to boost your winnings. Consecutive wins in a single spin activate a combo multiplier, starting at 2 times and increasing up to 8 times for 6 or more consecutive wins. Landing 3 or more scatter symbols will trigger the free spins feature, awarding 8, 12, or 20 free games. During these free spins, wild symbols expand their reach, appearing on reels 2 through 5, and you can earn extra free spins by collecting special bell symbols. To maximize your wins in Boxing King, consider using the 5-spin rule to observe the game's payout patterns and adjust your bet accordingly. Prioritize triggering the free spins feature, as it significantly increases your winning potential with expanded wild symbol appearances and persistent multipliers. Always manage your bankroll wisely by setting clear betting limits and knowing when to pause your play. Finally, aim for those consecutive wins to fully leverage the powerful combo multiplier, which can boost your payouts up to 8 times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.